Hey everybody, this is Kevin Martin and this is my 2016 Dodge Charger RT. Today I'm doing a cold start on a straight pipe V8 Hemi. I know like some of y'all out there, I was searching for videos on YouTube on what exhaust system to set up on this, and the straight pipe was the way to go for me. It has such a mean sound to it. I haven't done too much to it. I bought it back in December of last year. I've put the wheel skins on here, custom wheel caps. I've smoked out the side markers, tinted the windows, wheel skin still. I've also smoked out the tail lights at 20%. It didn't take long to do. I bought the kit on eBay for $31. It took about 15 minutes to do. So yeah, here's a cold start on a 2016 Dodge Charger RT straight pipe. The cats are still on there for if you were wanting to know. And I paid $160 to have this done. And I'll rev it up for y'all here so you can listen to it. So yeah, that's a cold start on a 2016 Dodge Charger RT. As I said, for the value, a lot of people I saw complained that they lost power or they were worried about losing power. I actually gained probably around 15 horsepower, just more air going through the system. And yeah, if you got any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.